Napakatamis nung ginawa naman. Sobrang tamis. Pero anyway, ganun talaga. Ito yung mga binili ko sa Shein for Aliyah's birthday decoration. Time, effort, and hopefully she'll appreciate it in time. Oh my God, ang dami kong gagawin. Kakayanin ko ba to? If we put our heart and mind to something, we can always achieve. Tell them, what can you see, Aliyah? Aliyah can see. Guess what, guys? Yeah. Lobster.
Like the teddy bear. One step, two step.
Okay.
And that's the teenage round.
Okay.
Okay.
All rounds. Hello guys! Kamusta po kayong lahat? Sana po ay okay kayo. Ngayong araw, it's 2nd of August, 2025. As you can see, andito tayo ngayon sa kotse. Kasama ko si Daddy and si Aliyah. So, ngayong araw guys, ay maganda ang panahon. Kaya minabuti natin na pumunta ngayon sa city. So, as you can see, I'm wearing sunglasses kasi naiwan ko yung aking prescripted sunglasses. So, ngayon, ginagamit ko yung kay Andy kasi kung hindi ko siya gagamitin, ay mag-migraine ako bukas o sa isang araw. So, yan ang trigger ng aking headache, guys. By the way, guys, nandito na tayo on the way para i-meet si Grandma and we are going to have dim sum or Chinese lunch at the Chinese restaurant. So, tara guys, sama kayo sa amin. And sumama na kayo, dyan lang kayo at wag na kayong umalis. Andito si Aliyah, tinutulak na ni Daddy papunta sa restaurant. So, andito kami ngayon sa mall, malapit sa Chinese restaurant kung saan kami pupunta. Kaya, let's go guys! Tell them, what can you see, Aliyah? Aliyah can see. Guess what, guys? Yeah. Lobster. What's that? Lobster. It's not moving, is it? What's that? Lobster. Oops.
Yeah.
Yes, Daddy.
Yeah.
There. Just telling you. There.
There.
There. There. What's that? Lobster. She's pointing at it. Aliyah can see the lobsters. Grandma.
Yeah, she's going to get you to start.
Oh, you drop it.
You see that? What else have you done this week then? Didn't show you what? Yeah, I did. I said it to you, Dad. Huh?
You have to eat your proper food first. Aliyah. Oh, here then. Oh, siomai. Oh, that's the.
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, you want more? I actually want more.
That's fun. Yeah, hold it.
Want to have? Want to hold it? Eating.
Hả? Oh yeah, hay là, hay là, hay là.
She knows to do the ching chong.
Điểm trùng trùng á. Điểm trùng trùng, điểm mấy điểm trùng trùng à? Chi à?
Chim chong chong.
Điểm trùng trùng. Trùng trùng. Phi. Đâu lên điểm á? Điểm mấy điểm trùng trùng à? Vậy đi thắng đi. Điểm trùng trùng. Trùng trùng. Phi. Bạn đó cả tử đó. Bạn đó cả tử. Này nó trẻ đi tệ. One step, two step.
Hello! Punta tayo sa cake shop. Tapos na kaming kumain ngayon. Doon naman tayo sa cake shop para tumingin ng cake ni Aliyah. Order online. Egg free. The 12 inches or the 10.
Oh, the 10-inch square, yeah.
Can I look at them? Just I wanna see how big at the
Do you have it?
Do you have it?
On the display with
Yeah.
the 10-inch. We don't have the 12-inch, but 10-inch I can show you, okay?
Oh, the 10-inch square, right?
10-inch square. Yeah. So this is the 10-inch square.
Ah,
here,
okay.
And that's the 10-inch round.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, round is big as well.
It's good size.
Yeah. You don't need a big, super big. Maybe, so 10 inches square, then 10 inch. Pardon? Which one?
It's not keeping.
Oh, I like the big one. Do you like it?
That's my unicorn. It's
cool. So sparkly. Unicorn. How about this? Little unicorn.
Little unicorn. dinosaur. It's Rumble.
Oh, no. Just, you pull.
Sky. Takana and his sister that flies way up high. Your blue toaster. Peekaboo house. Peekaboo eggy.
Hello guys! Andito na tayo ngayon sa kotse. Pauwi na tayo sa bahay. So, sinasamahan ko ngayon si Aliyah dito sa likod ng kotse dahil inaantok siya pero medyo grumpy siya. So, kailangan ni Mami na samahan siya sa likod ng kotse. So, tara guys, uwi na tayo para makita na natin si Ate Lady. Nag-aantay na siya ngayon sa bahay. So, let's go! Guys, we are going to feed Lady kasi kanina pa siya humihingi ng food. Ayan. Hi, Lady! Say hi. Ay! Say hi to the vlog. Hi, guys! Kanina pa siya humihingi ng food. Kasi normally, guys, 7 o'clock yung kain niya. Pero, tingnan nyo, ang aga-aga pa lang. May 20 minutes pa. Yun naman yung anak ko. Nandun. Kasama ng daddy niya. Tingnan natin si Ate Lady. Kasi kanina pa siya humihingi ng food. It's too early, Lady. You're 20 minutes early. Come on eh. Let's shut this. Ooh. Bigyan ko din siya ng water niya kasi dry na yung kanyang bowl. Ayan. Okay guys, nilulutuan ko lang si Aliyah ng dinner. Actually, luto na to, yung dinner niya. Parang pinapalambot ko lang yung rice. Kasi titing si Aliyah. Medyo may sinat siya eh. Malambot naman na tong rice. Tapos, I will cook her, fried egg. Sabi nila guys, yung mga baby or mga bata, bigyan mo daw sila ng egg every day. And then, I'm just not sure if scientifically backed up by data. Pero may mga study daw na when they gave these kids egg a day, yung IQ daw nila is mas mataas ng 15% kesa dun sa mga hindi. So, I don't know if it's true. Pero yung anak ko, thank God, hindi siya, she's not allergic sa egg. Kaya, mostly everyday, nilulutuan ko siya ng egg. So, lutuan natin si Aliyah ng egg. Mabilis lang naman. Ipa-fry ko lang. Kasi luto na yung rice niya. So, basically, ang ginagawa ko, kasi diba mainit pa. Tapos, kailangan na niyang kumain. So, we aim to give her food early. What I do is, ini-electric panan yung food niya. Ito, may electric pan kami dito sa kitchen. Yan. Ginaganyan ko siya dun sa bowl niya. Kanina sa Chinese restaurant, kumain talaga siya ng food ng Chinese restaurant kanina. Pero syempre, limited lang kasi gusto niya yung matamis. Plain egg lang yung ko. Anyway guys, ano yung mga usual na pinapakain nyo sa baby nyo if you have like a 12-month-old baby? If you have time, please can you comment down below para naman magaya ko yung mga pinapakain nyo din si babies nyo. Ako, pinapakain ko na si Aliyah ng rice. Ayan, o. Kung ano yung ulam namin, like for example, yung ulam namin kahapon was giniling with carrots and potatoes. Kung ano yung dinner namin, hahanguan ko siya bago ko siya timplahan ng salt, ganon. Hahanguan ko siya ng meat, yun nga. And then, walang salt yun, walang pepper, ganon. Then, yun yung ipapakain ko sa kanya. Then, nag-rice din siya kahapon. Pero hindi niya guys nauubos yung food niya because she's eating. Parang ganito yung kukunin kong cake ni Aliyah. Very square siya. Ay, bakit wala? Parang ganito. Ayan, ganyan. Pero square. Yan. Yung yellow tsaka pink yung color. Yung kukunin ko. Or baka pink na lang.